how to analyze the content. Hi everyone, my name is Drashti Ved and I am a PT trainer and reading expert here at English Wise. I have brought this video to you so you can understand how to approach the context in your PT reading, writing and PT reading blanks. Now, I have been asked a lot of times, ma'am, shall we read the whole passage? Ma'am, shall we read only the sentences where there are blanks in it? Or how are we supposed to understand the whole passage within a set of 2 to 2.5 minutes? So watch this video till the end to understand how to approach and what strategy to follow in your reading, writing blanks and your reading blanks. So before moving on, understand one thing. The moment you start your reading module, your passage is your biggest friend over there. What happens is the passage is going to give you an understanding of what is already mentioned in the question and what is asked from the options. So I always suggest students that you have to strategically analyze the passage and then answer accordingly. Now let us understand the difference between your reading, writing blanks and reading blanks before moving forward. Reading, writing blanks, you have a fixed set of options. So every blank has a set of 4 options for themselves. And in reading blanks, there is an open-ended options. That means for a set of 4 to 5 blanks, you have a set of around 10 to 14 options given, which is a very big set as compared to the number of blanks in the question. Now, what you have to do is you have to approach both of these questions in a different manner. Whenever you're going towards your reading, writing blanks, you have to read till the first or the second full stop. Do not read the whole passage first and then start answering, or do not just read the blanks, read the sentences that have blanks in them. You have to read the first, third and second sentence and understand what is going on in the passage. Once you have read the first or the second sentence, you have to analyze, okay, this is the part which is going on in the passage, and after that you have to answer any blank which was there in these first or second sentences and move on. You have to always remember that you solve it part by part. So you read the first 2 sentences, you solve the blanks in them, then you read another sentence, then you solve the blank, then you read another sentence and you solve the blank. Reading, writing blanks are always to be done part by part.